Hi, today I will actually pick math challenge for the walkthrough, for the coding walkthrough. So I will actually explain from line to line. So the first line is saying define math challenge and pass number as parameter. So this number is integer. So I will actually set time to 0 so that we can use it for the addition later to calculate how many times the number being multiplied together until it become a single digit. Um, so I default the time to 0. And so my logic is I will actually convert the number to string first, and then also use the length, the Python default method to calculate how many digits inside this number. So while this number that being passed has more than 2 digits, then we will always stay inside the while loop until we become the single digit. It will get out of the while loop. So inside the while loop, we will also default and set the result, the variable, to 1 so that we can use it uh, to times all the to multiply to let all the digit in the number to multiply each other to get another new number. So for I in string number, which means for all the digits in the number itself, we will use the result which is 1 to times each single digit together and get a new result. So every time when we finish multiply all the number together, we get out of the for loop, then we will add 1 to the time variable to do, because it's finished one calculation. Then after that, we pass the new result to the number. Then we go back to the while loop again to check whether this number is more than 2 digits or not. If it's more than 2 digits, then we repeat the same until the new number is finally the single digit, and we can see how many times this is being calculated. Then we will return the final time. So this is the solution. And then for the second question, how I usually deal with challenge or like learning something new. So usually for the because I have the full stack background. So for example, if I need to build a new project, I need to learn something new, I usually just go through all the documentation, go to the GitHub repo, and see how I need to finish the setup for the Visual Studio Code and download all the package I need. Then I follow the instruction inside the repository. That's how I usually learn something new. And then also nowadays with the AI, things are easier. For example, if I bump into like let's say I need to learn a new language in Java, I don't understand the grammar in that new language, then I usually just copy and paste that to AI and let it explain it to me line by line. But usually the logic are the same, although the language are different. So it's just the structure are different. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.